Is there really a difference between a Lloyds Bank debit card and a Lloyds Bank credit card when you're making a purchase? You might be thinking, a card is a card, right? As long as it says Lloyds Bank on it, I'm good to go. And for many everyday transactions, you'd be absolutely correct. But the fascinating truth is, while both are powerful tools in your financial arsenal, they serve distinctly different purposes and come with their own set of rules and benefits. Understanding these nuances isn't just about avoiding a declined transaction, it's about making smarter financial decisions, protecting yourself from fraud, and even building a stronger financial future. Let's dive deeper. When you use a Lloyds Bank debit card, you're essentially spending your own money that's already in your current account. Think of it like reaching into your physical wallet and pulling out cash. The funds are immediately debited from your account. This is fantastic for budgeting and avoiding debt, as you can only spend what you have. It's also widely accepted, from your local grocery store to online retailers. However, a key difference lies in the level of protection offered. While Lloyds Bank does offer fraud protection for debit card transactions, the Consumer Credit Act of 1974, which provides significant Section 75 protection for purchases over £100, generally doesn't apply to debit card transactions. This means if you buy a faulty item or a service that isn't delivered, recovering your money might be a more direct process with the retailer, rather than having the bank step in under that specific legislation. Now, consider your Lloyds Bank credit card. This is where things get interesting. When you use a credit card, you're essentially borrowing money from Lloyds Bank up to a pre-approved limit. You're not spending your own cash directly. This offers a different layer of flexibility and, crucially, a higher degree of consumer protection. That Section 75 protection I just mentioned? It's a game changer for credit card purchases between £100 and £30,000. If you buy something with your Lloyds Bank credit card and there's a problem, the company goes bust, the goods are faulty, or the service isn't provided, you have the right to claim the money back from the credit card company, as well as the retailer. This provides a powerful safety net, especially for larger purchases like holidays, electronics, or home improvements. Beyond protection, credit cards can also be a valuable tool for building your credit score, provided you manage them responsibly by making timely payments and keeping your credit utilization low. A good credit score is vital for everything from securing a mortgage to getting better rates on loans. Some Lloyds Bank credit cards also come with additional perks like cashback, reward points, or travel insurance, adding further value to your spending. However, the any Lloyds Bank card question also touches on what you're trying to achieve. Are you looking to withdraw cash from an ATM? Both debit and credit cards can do this, but credit card cash advances usually come with immediate interest charges and higher fees. Are you looking to make a recurring payment? Both can be used, but again, understanding if you're drawing from your own funds or a line of credit is key for managing your finances. In essence, while both carry the Lloyds Bank logo, they are distinct financial instruments. Your debit card is about immediate access to your own funds, excellent for day-to-day spending and budgeting. Your credit card offers a line of credit, enhanced consumer protection, and the potential to build your credit score, but requires careful management to avoid debt. So, can you use any Lloyds Bank card? Yes, for many transactions, they'll both work. But knowing which one to use and why you're using it is the real power move. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.